That's nice. Henrymanning585, guys. Check it out, man. Hellcat on that joint. You gonna lock it in for me this time, Red? We're gonna lock in the S for us, guys. You gonna start that joint, Red? Let me know when she's ready. Hey.
Ready.
She ready? All right, guys, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That bitch straighter than a motherfucker. We need a scooter or some shit to bring with us.
I'm not walking all the way down. Baby, can you drive down there? You drive down to get that?
We need to get a scooter, dead ass. Get one of them little electric scooters so we can ride down with that shit.
Nah, I ain't turn. I hit the gate a little bit. Yeah, stay there. You'll see that. All the way in the back fence straight.
The left side of that thing.
Yeah, guys. About to get that joint, bring that joint back, guys. We'll be right back, guys. We jumping. We ain't playing with no goddamn body. Yeah.